हमारा गुरु महाराज 1925 में नवद्वीप दर्शन करने के लिए गया था। गुरु महाराज went to Navadvip Dham for darshan in 1925 with his friend Narayan Mukherjee. That time he heard the name of Prabhupada and Mayapur, and they both went there. But the people of Navadvip misguide them. It is very far distance. But one old lady, he told, you may go, very good place. So many Mahatma was there and perform bhajan. So you can go easily. Then they are proceed. Because that time there was no road, not anything, no house. From the Ghat to Jogopit, no residence, no villagers, not anything. But they are going there. That day there was orphan initiation of Dr. Ethan Ghosh and his wife. And there was a Utsav also. They request, please, you are taking prasadam here. Then his friend, we are not intimate in the hotel, so it is not wise to stay here. What is that? They can demand their charge, not others. If the sadhu request, then it is better to take prasadam. Then they met Prabhupada. Why you are coming? We are coming to see Navadvip Dham. Before you are not seen any temple, and you seen Haridwar, Vrindavan, etc. Then you have darshan. We can't say I have darshan or not, but we visit. You have to darshan, but not in the eye. Darshan from ears. Then Prabhupada deliver some lecture. There. After that, they know the address of the Gaudiya Mutt in Calcutta. They are also residing at Calcutta. And that time, Guru Maharaj purchased so many things, vegetables, fruits, rice, sugar, and sent to the mott. But not by name, not anything. The mott members are not know who sent this. Often not he sent. And see the potteries really go there or not. And when they entered the mott, then because the charge of their case he paid first. For some time, he met and listened Harikatha. The brahmachari and sannyasi come there for monthly subscription. They paid monthly subscription. One and 1927 it took initiation on the Radhastami day. After that, Aranya Maharaj and Kirtan Prabhu, they are attained every month for donation, monthly subscription. Once Aranya Maharaj, there was a big Tailachitra of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he told, "You are very pleased to see the Tailachitra?" Yes. But he was very angry. Mahaprabhu is for your satisfaction. Mahaprabhu will pleased or not. You think about it? Who will cook one Brahmin from Odisha engaged in this purpose? Yes. He is devotee. You have no hand. Your hand will take crocodile. You never could. Then he stopped cooking and everything. After 3 days, the more members sent prasad to them. But they are not known. He is fasting. But as there was a function, they sent some prasad. But he take fruits and others no. Then he purchased all utensils. That old utensils are not used. Everything new. Then prepare. In 1927, he took initiation Diksha on the Radhastami day. That day 3 persons. He and his friend and another lawyer, advocate Bhujanga Baba. There are 3 that day. And then he left his service and joined Mount. Prabhupada sent him to Madras immediately with Sridhar Maharaj, Ban Maharaj, Guru Maharaj and another Maharaj. That is called Sar Maharaj. And one Brahmachari. But they arranged for ticket up to Kharagpur. After Kharagpur, they are collecting money and proceed. then they are written. And within a short time, they were very famous in Madras. There was a big congregation where Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and Dr. Nagaraj Sharma, they are established there Siddhanta. Radhakrishnan was the Radhakrishnan was followers of Shankaracharya. Dr. Nagaraj Sharma, both are doctorate. Both were sent the writings in Hindu paper, English. And if Dr. Radhakrishnan writes and the Nagaraj Sharma will protest, it is not correct. Then they are decided through one platform for decide. They invite so many persons, and the meeting was held by the presidency of Gaudiya Math. Guru Maharaj announced the name of Sridhar Maharaj. And that time, Prabhupada sent a telegram to Guru Maharaj, you come immediately for some urgent work here in Calcutta. Then Sridhar Maharaj told, no, I am not attending the meeting. If you are left, no, I am not left. After finishing the meeting, I start for Calcutta in the night. Then Sridhar Maharaj, in his presidential speech, told, Dr. Nagaraj Sharma told, the Vaishnavas are very very humble, because they told that vritta vritta vrittasya vritta itimang samaralokanata. But the Shankarites told, I am Brahma. All the jivas are Brahma. So they can think they are upper than Vaishnava. It is not. Then Sridhar Maharaj delivered his lecture. Who think like that? According to Gita, ahankaro vimuratma kartahamiti mannate. When the ego is troubled, then they are uttered like that. But the God is Almighty. By His mouth you can see the whole Brahmanda. Is there anybody bigger than God? and you are one of particular in his mouth. How is possible to you? You can say, I am the same. According to Gita, they are foolish. Ahankaro vimuratma. Vimur means foolish. They can say. So, Kaviraj Goswami uttered this. Purisher ki saite moise logishta. Not in the servant of the Vaishnava, but he think I am smaller than the worm of beast. Beast are tombs. And I am sinner than Jogai Madhai. But they are a famous devotee. So they are so humble. Rupa Goswami, the authority of the Bhakti Rajya, he told, Adharipya paradhanam aviveko tatkarunya pratikshasmi prasido mai madhava. In general terms, in English, if there is a father, there must be grandfather. If you identify yourself to see your son, then you are father. When you identify with his father, then you are son. And if you identify with your grandfather, you are grandson. And when you are identified with God, who is the Jato va imani bhutani jayanti janajatani jivanti jat prajanti abhisang visanti tadvijigyasastadiva brahma. And Krishna is the Brahman hi pratisthaham amrita vaisya. So, when you compare with Krishna, your position is
tiny.
And you compare with the worms, then you are a bigger, you are a man. What is the wise work? You identify with the worm or you identify with the Godhead? What do you like? But they deliver in a very polite language. Because all are not understood. So we clear their idea. So within a short time, the Gaudiya Math was famous there, and they donate a land, one ICS officer, and they start a math. Previously, they are in rented house. After that, they construct and gradually. Within a few years, they are famous in Tamil Nadu, Andhra. That time, no Tamil Nadu, no Andhra, only Madras Presidency. Combined with Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra. That is called Madras Presidency. After independence, in 1950, they divided into four according to their language. Tamil speaking people are in Tamil Nadu. Telugu people are in Andhra Pradesh, and Malayali speaking people Kerala, and Kannada speaking Karnataka. First of there only High Court in Madras. And Radhakrishna, although he is a Telugu person, he practiced staying in Madras. He was professor in Calcutta. Radhakrishna, Calcutta University of Darshan Shastra. That time, one friend of our Guru Maharaj wrote a letter that I think you got a better chance in your good promotion in service. So you leave this service. Then Guru Maharaj replied, I got a greatest service. You bless me that the service is permanent one. And Guru Maharaj is very much grateful to Aranya Maharaj, who told him that your hand was grasped by crocodile. He is so affectionate to me for my bhajan, progress of my bhajan. He is very much interested. So he is the real friend. So he served, Guru Maharaj served Aranya Maharaj till he is in the world. He performed Brajamandal Parikrama with us, and Guru Maharaj arranged for his treatment, eye operation and everything. Off and on, he come to our mott. And fearless lecturers. But in the eye of ordinary people, he is illiterate, but good lecturer. Even university, college, everywhere, his language is so polite and everything. Very good speaker. By the grace of Prabhupada, because it is not possible. And he preached every year, whole the year, and never seen the books. The Brahmachari who accompanied with Aranya Maharaj, who read the book, but he explained Aranya Maharaj. They are highly educated, but they are not delivered lecture. Delivered lecture Aranya Maharaj. with a big trunk. So many scriptures there. He told, see there. That is, I seen him. Such a Mahatma. And you have to supply milk to him. When he generally visit to our mosque, once our Puri Maharaj told the milk was finished. The previous Paramanna. And in the night, they supply milk. Why? There is no milk in the mouth of Madhu Maharaj. Then Puri Maharaj was very pure. And he immediately went to a shop of tea shop, and purchased milk and returned. And sorry. Once they demand for me. What kind of demand? From our reserve bogie, party will return to Calcutta from Mathura. I am accompanied with Guru Maharaj going to Jaipur. But the disciple of Prabhupada, they demand that we require Bharati Maharaj. With this party, then Guru Maharaj told me, I have no objection. In the way I demand milk in train, then Narayan Mukherjee, his god brothers, Arunna Maharaj's god brother, and friend of our Guru Maharaj, he told, your mother is here in train. So bring milk for his child. In train, you require milk. Fortunately, the train reached a station named Kanpur. And I see the milkman there and sell milk. I asked him, with sugar, mixed with sugar? But no mixed with sugar. Then a jar of Keshav Prabhu, 2.5 kilo milk. Then I purchased 2.5 kilo, and our train was left the station and offered to Arunna Maharaj. Then Arunna Maharaj, Naranda, you told me your mother is here to carry you milk for you. From where the milk will? So all the Vaishnavas are satisfied with our party. for Guru Maharaj. Guru Maharaj arranged everything. By who? Guru. Arindam Maharaj. He never attend other mount, only our mount. In every branch, Krishna or one side he is so strong, at another side his mind is serviceable. By the short side of his eye, he went to our Krishna Nagar Mott. Then the Brahmachari used wooden chappal. And Arindam Maharaj, by mistake, he changed his wooden chappal and take others and went to Mayapur. We are arranged for seva and everything. And when you see that this wooden temple is not mine, he told, no, it is not mine. We are all astonished because no other dared to go on veranda with chappal. And he request, it is yours, because our Brahmachari. Then he, it is, this chappal is from Vaishnava, so it is stay in my head, not with me. But he left without it. All the Brahmacharis are astonished. When I went to Krishnagar Mott for some urgent work, then our Brahmachari, Madhumangal, he told me, one Maharaj came to our mart, he left his chappal and he took my chappal. Then I know that is true. He never take it. It is Vaishnavas. It is not used by me. It is by me fate. They are respect Vaishnava in such a way. You can respect. And once I arranged one rack for shoe. Now this place is used by Darwan for keeping his box, etc. Small room. That is for the shoe. There was a rack, etc. Who used this? All the Brahmacharis and etc. But once our Brahmachari Veerabhadra, he told me, come to see in the day when all the brahmacharyas sleeping after taking prasad, and Virabhadra told me, come. Then we see one disciple of Prabhupada, he take all the darshan. Then we stop the rack, and that room was used by the Darohan. Nobody knows it. Only know the cause. Myself and Virabhadra. They are such a man. They respect Vaishnava in such a way. We sent to Aranya Maharaj and Jagamohan. And when he reached to Dhamo, then some dust and pranam, then entered. As Jagamohan Prabhu never fasting in Ekadashi, generally he taking Anukalpa. But that as he is going to Vrindavan for perform parikrama, he never take anything on the Ekadashi day, and told me not to speak about this matter to others. When he reached Mathura Junction, then take some dust and mouth. Then he take Anukalpa in the night. No, no. Take it. You are in the hospital. Is there anybody? No.